Well, I just wanted to give a quick update on my GoPro chin mount and audio setup that I use for recording videos on my dirt bike. This is a Pro-Shot chin mount, the GoPro Hero 7 Black. Now previously I had a Ulanzi Vlog case to use with my GoPro mic adapter for an external mic, and that mounts the mic up underneath here, which made, I had to raise the mount up more, and because of the nature of this 3M dual lock stuff, which is what is used to mount this Pro-Shot chin mount to a helmet, having as much contact area as possible is pretty good. Now I just got done replacing all of the dual lock mounting that came on this Pro-Shot when I got it probably 2 or 3 years ago. The adhesive was starting to not be as sticky as it should. I also used some of the dual lock stuff to attach the mic adapter to the side of the Pro-Shot. The ModMic, which was the previous external mic that I was using, did not end up working out, mostly because it had a giant, like 9-foot long cord. Really hard to find somewhere to put it all. Excuse me. So I think I'm going to try the Rode Lavalier Go omnidirectional lavalier microphone next. It's got a shorter cable and a better mic and mount. So as soon as that comes in, I will attach it to this and figure out a way to mount it. Probably right back in here seems to be the best place, or maybe up underneath, I don't know yet. But anyways, quick update on the audio setup. This is the microphone I want to try out right here. So there's that. Yeah. Anyways, update over. Thank you. Brap.